Indonesia's digital signage market is growing quickly, driven by retail expansion, the F&B industry, shopping malls, and smart commercial spaces. Today, businesses are using digital signage not only for advertising, but also for customer guidance, menu updates, promotions, and interactive experiences. Popular solutions include digital menu boards for restaurants, touchscreen kiosks for self-service, video walls for high-impact branding, and commercial displays for corporate communication. When selecting a digital signage supplier, buyers should look beyond the screen itself. Important factors include product quality, customization options, CMS compatibility, production capability, and reliable after-sales support. Ikinor provides OEM and ODM digital signage solutions designed for global distributors, integrators, and project partners, helping businesses create flexible and scalable display systems. With the right solution, digital signage becomes a powerful tool for engagement and business growth.